Hello students, welcome to Soros's classes. Today our topic is English aptitude, and here some questions are given, and in this question which of the words or phrases like 1, 2, 3 and 4 given below each sentence should replace the phrase or the word given in the bold, like no alternative here, in bold in the sentence to make it grammatically correct. If the sentence is correct as it is given and no correction is required, then no correction required, that is option 5 should be the answer. So now let's start. Here is our first question, and the question is: the equipment is in such poor condition that we have no alternative to buy new ones. Here 5 options are given, many alternatives like any alternative except, no other alternative, no alternative but, and no correction required. So here the equipment is in such a poor condition that we have no alternative, and here must be a but to buy new one. So here option 4, that is no alternative but, is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. The question is: since the deadline has been changed from next week to this Thursday, you should give this work priority. And here 5 options are again given. Be given this work priority, not give priority this work, prioritized this work, priority this work, and no correction needed. But here the sentence is correct, that since the deadline has been changed from next week to this Thursday, you should give this work priority. So as this is correct, so no correction required is our answer. So option 5 is the correct answer. Now here is our next question. After the success of our project, we have been receiving more requests than we do not have the resources to handle them. Here options are many requests but, most of the requests, more requests that, too many requests, and no correction required. So here many requests but, that is option 1, is as we are receiving requests but we don't have the resource to handle them. So here must be but instead of then. So many requests but is the correct answer. So option 1 is our answer. Now let's go to the next question. The question is: we have hired an advertising agency to prepare a campaign to encourage people votes. Now here an infinitive is required. So we have to use to plus we want, that is suggested, like people to vote is the correct. So option 3, that is people to vote, is the correct answer. So we have hired an advertising agency to prepare a campaign to encourage people to vote. So option 3 is our answer. Now let's go to our next and the last question, that is: during the training program, the new recruits will be briefed about how their role in the new organization. Now here 5 options are what their roles, about their roles, for its roles, which are their role, no correction required. Now here use of how is superfluous, so option 2 is about their role where there will be no how. So during the training program, the new recruits will be briefed about their role in the new organization. So your option 2 is the correct answer.